Hi there guys, Manuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this 7-Up TV. It came to my attention because somebody actually told me about it. Somebody who knows that I like films and knows that I like sports and something like that. So I thought, yeah, let me have a little look at it. And why I'm actually decided to do a review on it is because it has an affiliate status to it. So I thought that's going to be interesting to the people that listen to me and the people that are trying to make some money online. So I'm going to go over all of this. I've done a very good review, a very deep review into it. So I'll tell you the pros and the cons. Then you can decide for yourself whether or not this 7-Up TV is something for you. But just before we go into it, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please take the time to just click the button below. And when you do that, you'll have a bell icon. Click on that as well, so that anytime I release anything, any reviews or any tips, helpful hints and things that I always release, then you'll be the first to get notified about it. Alright, so thanks for that. Don't forget, click on that subscribe button. So let's get going with this 7-Up TV. Now, I saw it, my friend showed it to me, and I thought, oh, this is good because it's gonna save me money on my cable bill, you know, because things like this, you know, it gives you movies. This says it has over 10,000 plus movies, 500 plus videos on demand. You know, it's got the sports, it's got international channels. So I thought, oh, this might be something that might be of interest to me. So I went to look into the company itself. There is actually there's no information on who owns the company, who owns 7-Up TV. Now that for me was a bit of a red flag. You can see, if you dive a bit deeper, you can see it's affiliated with something called Numedia, which their structure is very, very similar to in fact, it's the same as this. It's just that Numedia more covers America, US, Canada, around there, whereas the 7-Up TV does all the international stuff in the UK and all that other stuff. But you know, if we look into the owners of Numedia, they've had some copyright infringement, some court cases and things like that. So all of this started to give me a little bit of a like, oh, it's a little bit of a red flag. Now we probably all know, I'm not 100% sure, but we probably know most of this is pirated copies. You know, we're not, there probably is some sort of copyright infringement going on. I don't know 100% for sure, you know, and if you do know and you want to comment, then please do it below the video. But I would think that's the way that they can offer it as cheap as they do. Now, to join it for yourself, it costs $29.77 per month. Yeah, and then you get access to all of this, thousands of HD live TV channels that it says here, movies and TV shows updated weekly, hundreds of sports, high quality video streaming, and all the like. Now, not very many reviews on this. Because I wanted to know what the buffering speeds and that would be like, whether or not you're going to keep having to have these buffering things going on, or whether or not the quality will be good. So I don't know that 100% for my show, because there's not that many other people that actually reviewed it that are in it. But if you're looking at this as a business opportunity, which is the only way you can sell this on, you can't just buy this as an everyday consumer. They don't sell it in retail. It only comes packaged as an affiliate opportunity. Now, how it works is you recruit people, and as you can see it here, and the more people you recruit, the more you get paid. Now, they say if you recruit 7 people, you get it for free. Because, let's shoot over here. This is the referral system. Yeah, if you recruit 7 people, you now get double bonus. They also offer bonuses. If you recruit 7 people, you get double bonus. You get $4 for every person you recruit. You also, if you recruit 10 people in 30 days, you get a $100 bonus. Yeah, that's it down here. There, 7 people. If you recruit 14 people, you get $200. 21 people get $300. And here it is here. So you get $2 for everybody you personally recruit and everybody that they personally recruit. But the rub is that the person has to be an active subscriber, so they have to be paying the $29.77 per month for you to get your $2. Yeah, if anybody drops off that, then you don't get your commission. And you know, here's the figures that they like to band out. If you do fill this whole grid, and you get you get a person, that person gets another couple people, those two people get another couple. So you fill this, let's just call it a pyramid. You fill the pyramid, then you could potentially, if everybody stays active and everybody keeps going, you could then get a monthly commission of $1,921,612. A little unreasonable, I think, because most people don't stay that long. Most people stay in these things maybe a month or two. You know, or these sort of things, like I've used them before, these sort of things, because it's the type of material that it is, you know, they get caught and the whole thing gets shut down, and that's your affiliate business gone down the toilet. Now, you know, I don't know how long this is going to last, but for me, myself, the commissions are too low. You know, you're going to go out there, they're going to give you help. You know, you get a back office, you see up here, you get a virtual office, so they probably help you with marketing and stuff like that. But, you know, and I suppose in and of itself, it's an easy sell, because you think, right, you're going to get all these videos, you're going to get all these sports, you're going to get all the cinema films and all of that, and you're going to get it for a third less than what you'd normally be paying to the official companies, the cable companies, and to the Skies and whatnot. So it's an easy sell. You just say to someone, you know, join this, but then, you know, if the company goes down, that's your money gone. And I just think the commissions for me are just too low. $2 for recruiting someone. It seems like a super easy sell, but then when people go and do a little research and they think, well, this is potentially copyrighted material, it's then not a great, as easy a sell as you think. For me personally, I wouldn't get involved in this. This is not for me. But if it was just to watch some of the TV, to get some of the sports and all of that, so I know full well that at some point the whole thing could go down on me, but I'll enjoy it for now, for as long as I can, then fine. Then, you know, why not get some good sports and good films for a third of the price that you would pay the major companies. If it's for that, I would say, yeah, go ahead. If you're looking at it as a affiliate marketing opportunity to make money, then for me it's a no. But, you know, you can go and have a look for yourself. You know, it's 7uptv.com. If you do want to know what I personally promote, then I'm going to leave links below this. You can click on that. It's completely free to have a look at. It's completely free to actually join. And the benefits you get is that they teach you how to market online correctly. They teach you the correct way. Do you know? And the commissions that you get is just so much higher. So you take that time. If you're going to take time to market something, you're going to take time to write articles or make videos, then really you should be trying to get paid more than, say, a couple of dollars like you do for this. All right then, guys. So listen, I hope that was helpful. If you do have any comments, anything you want to say, you can just leave it in the comments box below, and I'll personally be answering that myself. If you haven't already subscribed, please take the time to do it. The button's down there, and tick on the bell icon. Once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, guys, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.